Our hydrojetting service is extremely effective. Hydrojetting is also a cost-effective solution to deal with bacteria, unpleasant odors, and even tree roots that have infiltrated sewer lines. Our technicians will choose the best nozzle suited for your hydrojetting service. Pressurized streams of water break up just about any clog and forces it through the system. Hydrojetting is excellent at removing dirt, grime, debris, residue, and other obstructions that can build up over time. Clean pipes can help a plumbing system work better. In the end, our sewer camera inspection service can show you exactly how clean your pipes will get. Contact us today for our popular drain cleaning service known as hydrojetting.